Beauties, welcome back to my channel. So I want to show you a new addition to my MAC Hyper Real set. You know, I have the cleanser. So I use this Hyper Real fresh canvas cleansing oil to melt my makeup. Yeah, then after that I use Hyper Real fresh canvas cream to foam cleanser to cleanse my face. Then after that I use my Hyper Real Serumizer as a serum. I think I have done a review about all these Hyper Real sets. And then after the serum, I go on with my Hyper Real skin, excuse me, beauties, Hyper Real skin canvas balm. It is a moisturizing lotion. Let me just show you how deep I have gone, just to tell you how much I love this. And then beauties, you know what happened? MAC came up with Hyper Real under eye cream. I cannot do my skincare routine without using an under eye cream. You know how important it is, because the skin under our eyes is very sensitive, it's very thin, and it is prone to having bags, dark circles, wrinkles, and the rest of it. So I have been applying under eye cream for a very long time, and thankfully I don't have under eye circle, I don't have bags under my eyes. I am so grateful. So I have been using my MAC Fast Respond eye cream. This is the new one that I bought because I just finished the old one. I decided to get myself another tube, and then boom, MAC came up with this Hyper Real Serumizer eye. Oh my god, I love this. Please focus. It doesn't want to focus. It says MAC Hyper Real Serumizer eye 360 bright eye treatment. And I'm going to tell you, because I have all the dates, I'm going to tell you everything about this under eye cream. It says it has Japanese peony extract, which helps to restore luminosity and translucency. Okay. Hyaluronic acid hydrates and plumps our under eyes. Then it also has a niacinamide, which boosts radiance and increases cell turnover. Wow. And then the good thing about it, beauties, especially for people that has dark circles under their eyes, it has vitamin C, which helps to brighten and reduce the look of dark circles. Beauties, I love, let me just open it and stop talking. Look at how sleek. Oh my goodness, camera, my phone is not doing justice to this. Look at how sleek it is. And it says Hyper Real MAC Hyper Real Serumizer eye 360 bright eye treatment. What they mean by 360 is you can apply it and go like in a circular motion under the eyes, on your eyelid, like this. Okay. And then it says formulated with all the ingredients that I said here: Japanese peony extract, hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, and vitamin C. Yes. So, and it also, when you open it, also comes with a pump, which is so beautiful. You will be able to control the amount that you are pressing. I love it. So tiny and travel friendly, because look at, when you close it, let me just show you. When you close it, can you see? It's not going to like run and start messing your bag up. So beautiful. And then beauties, the good part of it is it comes with applicator. It says 360 cooling applicator. I've not opened this applicator because I'm planning doing it with you all here. So when you open it, oh, they fold it like this. But then I have seen the reviews on TikTok and Instagram. Let me just show you. Oh my goodness. Can you see how beautiful it is? And then it says MAC. I don't know whether you can see it exactly. It says MAC. Oh my goodness. So when you apply this, then you use this roller to just roll it. Oh, and Oh, it has this cooling effect. It is a kind of cold, which I so much love because I love a cooling effect under my eyes. Beauty, can you just see how tiny and pretty this is? It looks so beautiful. Yeah, so beauties, that is it. I cannot wait to do another skincare routine using my MAC Hyper Real set. I have been a fan of MAC Cosmetics for years, so I'm always excited when they come out with a new product. Yeah, look at this thing. Oh my god, I'm so tiny. You just throw it into your bag and then you are good to go. Like I said, I have been using the Fast Respond under eye cream for a very long time. And beauties, if you don't have under eye cream, like I said, it must not be from MAC Cosmetics, but if you don't have under eye cream, please get yourself one. Get yourself one. Okay, it is very important that we start taking care of our eyes, that we start taking care of our under eyes before they start showing us early signs of aging. So I cannot wait to do another skincare routine using all my MAC Hyper Real. MAC Cosmetics be eating my money. They have been eating my money, but then I love it. Like I said, MAC is one of the first brand makeup company or brand that I tested. Since then, I have not looked back. Sometimes I run to one brand to another, but then something must bring me back to MAC Cosmetics because they are iconic. They stand the test of time. So I love this, my new addition. Let me know whether camera can even allow it to focus. Exactly, yes. Can you just see it? Hyper Real Serumizer Eye. And then this one has Hyper Real Serumizer. So I love it that they said Hyper Real Serumizer Eyes. And this particular one, I have it in 50 milliliter. I used the 30 milliliter and I said I'm going to get myself the 50 milliliter. So I'm still enjoying this one. And then for the under eye cream or lotion from MAC, this one is 15 milliliter. But then it's also good because this particular one, the Fast Respond under eye cream, is also 15 milliliter. So beauties, that is it for today's video. I hope you love this video, and if you do, kindly give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, share, and subscribe please if you haven't subscribed to my channel. And then I will catch you all in my next video. Stay safe and stay blessed out there. Bye.